Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we have the Xiaomi 4i 10000 mAh 22.5 watt power bank with us. I'll unbox the product, use it for a while and share my full review about this. So let's check it out. Let's unbox and see what is inside this. We have this USB-A to USB-C cable. This is the length. And this small user manual. Okay. And the power bank itself. Let's open this. This is the power bank. This is the olive green color. I really love this color. Looks like military army dark green color. They also have other colors like classic black and coral purple. This should weigh around 300 grams. And the design is very minimal. Something which I love about Xiaomi products. We have the Xiaomi branding here. And at the back, we have the mi.com website link. Pretty compact in size, almost like a smartphone size. I got this from Amazon. I'll share the product link in the description. You can check it out after watching this video if you're interested. Now I'll share all the features they have mentioned in the box. Xiaomi Power Bank 4i 10000 mAh 22.5 watt fast charge. Mi branding here. 10000 made in India. Type-C input and output, smart power management, short circuit protection, okay, output over current protection, 6 months warranty, temperature protection. That's all. This is the 10000 mAh 4i model. Before this, they had the 3i model. I do wish they added the wireless charging feature on this one, like we have on this other Xiaomi power bank. It would have been nice if they kept this feature. This also supports PD charging, which is power delivery, like ultra fast charging and quick charge 3.0. To get 22.5 watt fast charging, make sure you are using a proper compatible cable and not just any random ones. And we will get this maximum output power only when we are using a single device to charge. We have two USB-A ports and one USB Type-C port. We can use the USB-A ports for output and USB Type-C port for input. We can also charge 3 devices together at the same time as well. And we have this circular button here. We can press this to check the battery level. We have 4 LED dots here to show the battery life. We can also use this button to enable low power discharge mode. We just have to double tap the button. This mode will be helpful if we want to charge small electronic devices like Bluetooth and other small devices. It will take around 4 to 6 hours to charge this power bank overall, which again depends on the kind of cable and charger we are going to use. Should you get this power bank, if you don't have any other power bank with you right now, or if you want to upgrade your very old power bank, then you can definitely give this a try. Personally, I love the color, very compact, minimal, fast charging and enough USB ports. So you can get this now for the discounted launch price or during any Amazon Prime sale. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts about this new Xiaomi 4i 10000 mAh power bank in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.